Guys, getting ready to make batches of lotion. And this is going to be my vanilla and sandalwood lotion. And then here is going to be my peppermint. So, guys, I have the oils already in the freezer. So they're waiting to come to the temperature I need them to, guys. And then the shea butter is also going to go in this mix. And, guys, what I wind up doing, I wind up buying a separate blending thing and a blending bowl, because I notice a lot of people that make lotion recipes, they use their KitchenAid, but I was like, I cannot use my KitchenAid with fragrance oil. So now, guys, I replaced the bowl and replace that, and I can use that. I use this one is going to be for lotions, and the other one is going to be for my cakes. Alrighty, guys. So if you guys have a KitchenAid and want to make lotion, do a replacement bowl and a replacement whisk, guys, and you can make lotion out of your KitchenAid. Alrighty, guys. So this is my vanilla lotion, and I'm ready to finish the blending, and it smells so amazing, guys. So this is vanilla and cedarwood. It smells really, really, really good. And then I put a little bitty specks of cocoa powder, and it gives it a real earthy type smell, guys. But this smells amazing. So when somebody come up next to you, this is the one I put on like when you take a bath and put this on. And it's like that nice lotion that just smells edible. This is the type of lotion that I wear to bed. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, it is all done, and it smells amazing. This is vanilla and sandalwood. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Get it. It looks amazing, and it smells so amazing, guys. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.